And good morning. We are about to slay the dragon. Yeah, we're on US 129. That's a terrible place to do photographs. What do I know? Yeah, we're on US 129 along the lake, and we're heading to the Deals Gap store and motorcycle resort. Hopefully this video turns out. I'm using a Senna 10C Evo version 1. Still waiting on Senna to warranty my version 2, which broke about 3 weeks ago. It's like pulling teeth to get Senna to honor their warranty. I've only had the thing since June. The camera button broke. It would have been faster for me to pull the camera apart and fix the button like I did with this one. I think Senna has a good product, but I think they have a personnel issue. Their upper management must suck. It should not take 3 weeks for a warranty. I have a bad feeling about going through Deals Gap today. I want to say there's some kind of Honda rally going on, because I have seen more beater Hondas this morning than normal. You know what I'm talking about. The race Honda Civics. I can think of cooler cars to mod out than a Honda Civic or a Prelude. Oh, what do I know? I'm on a freaking Ducati. Like that piece of junk. If you're rattle canning your car flat black or painting it with truck bed liner, it might be time to junk that car and get something better. This is going to be a bad trip through the gap. I use a pull-off. Why use a pull-off? I should have used the pull-off and just let these jokers go. This car sounds annoying. Got these two fart cans off the back of it. Oh, that's a no parking. Has he got a parking permit? Sucks to be that guy putting his car in the off the bank like that, but this road's going to be closed in about an hour. As soon as the wrecker gets here. I'm assuming it was the guy sitting on the white line, because he looked a little bit disheveled. Man, there's too many people in the pull-offs. If you've never ridden this road when the leaves aren't on the trees, after the leaves have fallen off in the fall, before the leaves grow back in the spring, this is a whole different road. I've been up here riding around Christmas and New Year's. And it's like